Welcome back to Justice Unfolded, where real courtrooms meet real consequences. Today's case takes an unexpected turn when a defendant claims she did everything right, only to find herself arrested again. We're diving into confusion, compassion, and a kitten that might just be the emotional heartbeat of this entire hearing. Stay tuned, because what starts as a misunderstanding ends with one of the most heartfelt moments you'll see in any courtroom.
Okay, good. I'm so confused right now.
Really?
Yes, sir. Can I please explain?
Confused, Mr.
Okay.
Mireles.
Yes, very much so. Because whenever I left here, I went downstairs, and I thought the ankle monitor would be put onto me downstairs. Nothing was put onto me, but the hair center showed up. I went directly from here into custody with the hair center, and I've been at the hair center. On the 13th, I was still at the hair center, apparently when the warrant went in for my arrest, and I was still with the hair center. I got released from the hair center because I found housing. I've left the hair center, and then I got picked up on the street because I got a little kitten for my PTSD. She went in between a fence. I had to go over the fence to get her. When I got her back into her kennel, and I had my kennel with me when the officers was checking me. I had no drugs, no nothing. And then they said I had a warrant, and I was very confused because I haven't done anything. And at the hair center, I was with them the entire time. I told them about the ankle monitor to please check on it, and they said they would get a hold of me, and if there was, they would set me an appointment to go get it. Nothing was ever done. And if you could please call the hair center, they'll tell you what I'm telling you is the truth. I haven't done anything.
Now pause right here. This moment is crucial. What you're seeing is a defendant pleading her case, insisting she followed the rules by staying at the Harris Center. The confusion. A missed ankle monitor installation created a paperwork nightmare. In legal terms, this is what's known as a compliance discrepancy, where one clerical error can spiral into a full-blown warrant. But here's the human side. She's not just fighting for her freedom, she's fighting to prove her integrity. What do you think? Is this a system error, or did she drop the ball somewhere? Let us know below.
I got a different report.
From who? From the hair center?
Did we not, Lori?
We did.
Okay. You know that you're telling me something over here.
I promise that's exactly what happened.
I got information from the hair center themselves that says it's over here.
What? What did they
You
say?
didn't go turn yourself in. That you didn't go do what you're supposed to do.
I did. I was at the hair center. I've been at I was at the hair center.
You can contact to see if the hair.
Please, yes. April is my care worker. April's my care worker.
I
She'll know.
Hold on.
I don't understand how that's possible.
I don't want to keep you in jail for the sake of keeping you.
No, I know, sir. I've been doing good. I've been doing everything. I've been trying to make you proud. I did what you said.
See,
I promise.
you're going to reach out to the hair
Okay, I
center.
promise. I swear.
Verify.
April knows who I am. She's my care provider. I have all my paperwork. I have everything.
Okay. Hold on a second. So
Thank you.
have him back for a second. Take your time. There's
Okay.
no rush. Deputy Bo, do you mind? We're going to check now, Mr. Mireles.
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay.
I'll bring you back out when we have a result.
Thank you for listening.
Of course.
No.
I don't either.
But the thing is, Judge, I'm feeling that it's a felony trespass only because it was during a state of emergency, so it was made a felony. I didn't know that that's how that worked. And then the others, the PCS you picked up with the DWI.
Let's bring her out, and then I'll bring her out next, and then we'll figure it out. Okay. Mr. Mireles. So when you get there, what's the situation when you get there? You're housed and you stay there, correct?
When you get there, they only have, where I was, jail diversion is about 14 days at the most. If you're active and you're searching, which I was, if they see that you are actively searching and doing what you're supposed to be doing, they can help you if they don't find housing for you in between those 2 days. I was managed to find housing, so they gave me my discharge paper and I was able to leave to go to my housing, which is temporary.
Therein lies the problem.
Huh?
You're supposed to stay. You're
No,
not.
They tell them when they can leave.
Yeah, they discharge you.
They discharge you from the hair center. He got discharged because he got housing.
Yeah, and I got housing, so I went to my housing. I might have lost my housing now because of this misunderstanding, but I can go back to the hair center and have them re-help me again to get back because it's a volunteer.
The housing that you're going to.
The housing that I was at was in the Heights, and it's
Living with who?
I stayed with my younger sister first just to she's pregnant, but it's not with her anymore. I was going to be staying with the what is it called? I forgot what it's called.
So the housing, you basically get to choose. Is that what you're telling
No,
me?
no, sir. You have to apply to them, and it's called Magnificat. Magnificat is who I was going to be staying with. It's called Magnificat Housing, and they only provide you for 8 days because this is a transitional housing. This is to get you into a place as best as they can. It's not permanent, but it's transitional. You go with them, you stay with them, and you get you hopefully into something in between to be
So
permanent.
where's the long term?
They don't do permanent at the center. If you want to get permanent housing, you just have to hopefully keep staying with.
It's gonna happen after 8 days. Happen after 8 days.
You pretty much as long as you keep doing what you're supposed to be doing, you can stay with them. And that's what I was doing. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as long as they show that you're out looking for jobs, you're out looking for housing, you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, not just abusing the free housing, then they'll work with you to get you into another one as fast as possible or to stay with them longer because they don't like it's.
Am I able to verify that you're actually staying at a place?
I can keep in touch.
I'm not gonna
with
take
you.
your word for
Oh,
it. So
I can keep
I
in
need to
touch.
actually speak to someone.
Huh?
I need to speak to someone to know what you're doing, where you are. I'm not going to take your word for it.
I can keep in touch with you. I can just have someone from the hair center. His name is Greg. Greg is who's helping me get my housing. He can keep in touch with you. I can give him your number, or we can have
His
everything.
phone number.
Everything I have is in my paperwork, and they took everything. When they arrested me, they took everything away from me. I had nothing. I couldn't get anything. The only thing I had was my little cat that they took from me.
Don't worry about a cat at this moment.
No, she's in my
Worry about
PTSD.
yourself
Yeah.
first.
Well, she was recommended. I got her because I have bad PTSD. So they recommended I go get a PTSD animal, and I got him.
Are you telling me that where you're gonna go for 8 days, they're gonna let you have a cat?
Yeah. Yes, it was their idea. It was their idea to get a PTSD animal because I have very bad PTSD. So I went and I adopted a little kitten, and he helps me a lot. He's a reason to stay in good shape to get everything together. He's beautiful.
I commend you. I just want to know.
It means a lot to us. I mean, he's very beautiful. You should see him. He's like my everything, and they took him away from me. That's the only reason I want to get back out there right now. He's at the SPCA, and I don't know why they took him from me.
This is where the story hits hard, because this isn't just about legal obligations anymore. Her kitten, Green Beans, is more than a pet. It's a prescribed PTSD support animal. For many defendants battling trauma, these animals serve as emotional anchors, keeping them grounded and motivated. The heartbreak you're hearing is real. The judge, too, senses it. Notice his tone softening. This is where compassion meets justice, and it's rare. Judges often walk a fine line between enforcing the law and recognizing human struggle. Would you have shown leniency here, or stuck strictly to protocol? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah.
He's really beautiful. He's a little gray kitten. He's awesome. His name is Green Beans. I promise I was making you proud. I was doing everything to make you proud. And I had to get back out there to get him. And I want to get back into housing. It's tearing me apart to know that they just ripped him from my hands like they did. And I was doing everything that I was supposed to do. I don't want to lose him.
All I want to do is just verify what you're telling me.
I promise. I can. When I get to the center, I can have because that's the only place I can go. I have to go back to the center because I can't lose my housing. I can go back to the center and I can have April call you immediately and get in touch with you. She was actually.
See, Mr. Mireles, listen. I want them to contact Lori.
Okay.
As long as we can verify you're doing, know where you are, where you're staying, and that you're not out on the street, I'm happy.
Okay.
All I want to know is that you're not on the street.
No, I'm not. I'm not on the street at all.
I know you're going to tell me no. I know you're going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods.
No.
But it's not. I've been through this before.
And they can verify I'm not because the second that I am on the street, I go straight to the hair center. I don't want to be on the street. The hair center is amazing. It gives me great food, housing, everything. And the whole point of them is to get out of homelessness. That's why I'm doing this.
That's
I
why
can't be on the street.
have you here?
Yeah.
Because from what I understand, You took off, and that's not what I want to happen. I want you to stay in touch with Lori.
Okay. I can only do so much. My cell phone got stolen literally just.
You're not listening.
Okay.
Stop and listen.
Okay.
I want you to stay in touch with Lori.
Okay.
And I want Greg to be able to verify with her where you are at all times.
Okay.
If in 8 days I don't hear anything, because I'm writing everything down that you're telling me,
Yes, sir.
in 8 days I don't hear anything, a warrant will issue. I'm not going to play this game with you again.
Yes, sir. I understand. Okay.
Before you leave the jail, you will have an ankle monitor on you.
Okay. That's fine.
You must stay in touch with Lori.
I will. Yes, sir.
This is it.
Okay.
So redo the PTI to release to the hair center again?
Release to the hair center, same gig as last time.
Okay.
No release on his own to the hair center with a GPS.
Okay.
All right,
Pre-trial
Hey.
notified?
make me proud.
I am. I promise.
See it. Go get your kitty and make me proud.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you.
In the end, Judge Fleischer does what few expect. He believes her. He orders a new ankle monitor, a structured release, and gives her another chance through the Harris Center. What's remarkable isn't just the ruling, it's the redemption arc playing out in real time. The judge's compassion transforms a chaotic case into a story of hope. Second chances, and yes, maybe even a reunion with green beans. Cases like these remind us that justice isn't just about punishment, it's about perspective. If you found this courtroom story as moving as we did, make sure to hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-life legal breakdowns that hit both the head and the heart.